Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. This video is about the iPARanger tool which you can use to get iPA files for any app, of course any free one directly from the App Store, which will be linked to your actual Apple ID, so it is okay to do so. And this video is only for educational purposes, so please use it responsibly. And it works on all the jailbroken devices, rootless or root full. And you can see it right here. We are at its official GitHub page. It is completely free and open source tool. Now, if you scroll down, you can see it looks like this, and you can simply search for an app and then get its IPA, and you can also save it to a safe location so that you can use it later. Alright, as you can see my device right here, and yes, it works on iOS 16, iOS 15 or any other version with a jailbreak. So as you can see, I am already jailbroken. Simply open Celio, then head to sources and add the source 0xkuj.yourrepo.com. Also, before you do so, please add allikit.spacerepo and install allikit. Also make sure that preference loader is installed. You can simply search for it and install it. So after adding the repo, simply open it, go to all categories. Now scroll down and you'll find iPARanger right here. Simply get and install it. Alright, once complete, hit done. You'll find iPARanger on your home screen. Open it. Now here, first of all, log in with your actual Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work, so I will quickly log in first. Alright, once you're logged in, you will see this interface. You can select a different region if an app is not available in a specific region, and you can simply hit this search button to search for an app. So for example, I want to install Facebook. I will simply search for it, and you can now simply see the results. Now simply select the app you want to install or get the IPA, and you will see this dialog. Now hit copy bundle. Now hit download here, then hit this button and then simply paste the bundle. Press and hold and hit paste. The bundle which was copied will be pasted. Now hit download. So wait for the process to finish. Alright, so once it is downloaded, you will see it right here in download. Simply tap it and you will see this menu. Now you can install the app using this, or you can rename the file. You can even open it in Filesa if Filesa file manager is already installed. You can share it to files to save it, or you can delete it. So for example, you want to keep a backup of this IPA file. For this app, hit share, then you can simply hit save to files, then hit save. Now let me open files to show you that it actually is now saved. Now go to on my iPhone and downloads, and you can see the IPA is now actually saved. Now from here, you can also email it to yourself to move it to a safe location. Now back to the app, simply hit install application to install it, then hit yes, continue, and the app will be installed. Alright, as you can see, successfully installed. Hit OK. Now you can open it, no problems whatsoever. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.